Welcome to my video review of the Starburst sparkling ice. I have 4 different flavors here. And, you know, when I saw these at the grocery store, I thought to myself, as the foremost expert in sparkling ice that you know, you need to make a review of these so that the people can understand.
You should tell us all the flavors.
Okay, yes, that's a good point. Well, we have, you know, all the classic Starburst flavors. We got your strawberry. We got orange, my personal favorite Starburst flavor.
Really? Ew.
Yeah. No, I'm a fan.
Ew, I'm not.
Yeah. But we'll see how it fares in drink form.
Strawberry and cherry is the best, but okay.
Well, we have cherry right here. Mm-hmm. And rounding it out, we have lemon. All right. What should we try first?
Well, I guess go for orange since that's your favorite Starburst flavor.
Or should we build up to orange?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I don't know. We'll go from left to right.
Okay.
We'll start with the strawberry. Okay, before I even took a sip, the smell smelled exactly like a Starburst.
Okay. How does it taste like?
Like a Starburst.
Like a strawberry Starburst?
Yeah.
Is it good, then?
I guess that depends on how you feel about Starburst.
Well, how do you feel about Starburst?
I mean, they're alright.
Well, do you like the strawberry Starburst flavor?
I mean...
Would you buy it again?
Yeah. Not all the time, but I'd say it's pretty decent. It's no classic lemonade, but...
Is it close to kiwi strawberry?
For context, classic lemonade is my favorite.
Okay.
Kiwi strawberry is, you know, pretty high up there second. I would say this is a good 7.5 out of 10.
Okay.
It's a perfectly drinkable drink. Move on to orange though. Alright.
Your favorite Starburst flavor.
Give it a good sniff. It smells like orange.
Well,
this one doesn't taste like a Starburst.
is that good or bad?
It's different. I expected them all to to really have that Starburst flavor. But this one just kind of tastes like an orange drink.
Okay. Was it good or bad?
It was decent.
Is it like Fanta?
Honestly, yeah, it tastes a little bit like a Fanta. It's got the carbonation. It's got orange flavor.
But would you drink it again?
It's not bad.
Is it better than the strawberry?
Maybe a little bit.
Oh, really? What would you give the rating?
I'd say an 8.
Oh, okay. So you would buy it again?
Maybe a 7.75.
So you would buy it again?
Yeah, not all the time, but maybe 1 or 2.
Like the first one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what cherry does.
All right. Cherry. Cherry tends to have strong flavors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like cherry cough drops, so.
Well, they're okay. I mean, if I'm gonna have a cough drop,
Cherry's a gross one, but okay.
it certainly smells like cherry.
Well,
This one's kind of weird.
yeah, in what way?
At first, it tastes like a cherry, just like cherry drink, just like cherry flavor. But then the aftertaste is where the Starburst comes in.
Is that a good thing or bad?
It's unexpected. I've never really associated sparkling ice with an aftertaste.
Okay. Like, would you buy it again?
I mean, all of these have been perfectly acceptable, but this is probably my least favorite so far.
What's the rating?
Man, it really is weird. This one may be more like a 7.
Okay. No, I have high hopes for this one since you do like classic lemonade. So.
Yes. Wouldn't it be crazy if it just tastes like lemonade? Like, this is just like...
The classic lemonade.
Yeah.
They just branded it as the Starburst flavor.
Yeah, they're like, we need to fill out the lineup. Well, it doesn't smell like it's gonna taste like that.
Okay.
Ooh.
No good?
This is another aftertaste one.
Oh, it's weird.
Yeah.
Is it better than the orange?
I'd say this
Oh, yeah,
like,
is it better than the cherry? Sorry.
So this one, at the very beginning, it does almost taste like lemonade a little bit. But the aftertaste is actually not really a fan.
Okay, what's your rating?
This one I might have to give like a 6.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe even like a 5.
Wow, that's low. Out of all of them, I thought that would be one of the faves.
Yeah, the aftertaste is strong
So.
and just not like good.
Well, I guess we have a winner. Orange is a winner. Strawberry is number 2. Cherry is number 3. And the last one is lemon.
And if we're gonna give an award to taste most like you're drinking a Starburst, absolutely hands down the strawberry. So if you really want to drink some Starburst, this is the one to go with.
There we go.
Now, would you like to try one?
No.